much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we're unboxing the Test Tube Beauty for July 2020. I will leave my Test Tube playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Literally, right as I am filming this video, I just have to rant for 2 seconds, and it is about the Raw Beauty Kristi and Pure collaboration. It was a shit show, to say the least. Pure's website was not ready for the sheer amount of volume of customers wanting this collab, and I've been sitting on hold in a queue since 7:30, 8 o'clock. I get through the website, everything was still in stock, the palette and the 2 pairs of lashes. I put it in my cart and I go to checkout and it says that you can't process my order. And I'm like, what do you mean you can't process my order? I checked my card, everything's fine. Tried it again, still got that same error message. So I yell for Griffin and I'm like, hey, can I use your card really quick? I'm gonna try to place this order. And then I didn't get an error message, but it didn't process all the way through. So I'm like, okay, I just give up at this point. I tweeted at Pure a screenshot of my error message just saying, I'm glad I made it through, but I'm not glad that I didn't get it processed. So I'm just a little sad in my feelings right now. Hopefully that's not gonna let it affect this unboxing. Let me know in the comments below if you were able to pick that up. I know I was really looking forward to it because she is one of my favorite YouTubers, and it's always really exciting to see your favorite YouTubers get a collab. I thought it was a beautiful palette, and of course, lashes. Pure is a brand I don't typically buy from. I get a lot of it in BOXYCHARM, but I figured this was gonna be my one exception and it backfired. Test Tube Beauty is shipped in a box. They don't just ship this, but they had one additional item that could not fit in the tube, and I am very excited for it. The first product we have from Miss Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. This treatment is clean. It's purified glycolic acid that deeply exfoliates and repairs the look of dull, congested, and sun-damaged skin for a visibly radiant, healthier looking complexion. I absolutely love this stuff so much. It's actually one of the serums that actually worked out well for me. I normally use it in my nighttime skin routine. It's been up until recently where I've actually been continuously putting a serum in my morning skincare routine. For a while, I had my Hey Honey one that I'm trying to pan, struggling on that a little bit. And then from there, in my nighttime skincare routine, I have just been playing around, trial and error of so many different serums. I don't know why I struggle so hard to find one, but I do. This has been one that I received a small deluxe size in the past, and up until recently in my IPSY add-ons where I was able to add on, I don't think the one I got at IPSY is this size. I think it's like the size down. I know I'm definitely gonna need a backup. It's one of my favorite Sunday Riley products, and this is just one pump dispensed, but it's a more thicker serum. A lot of serums are pretty light, and you can even tell that it is thick because it's not just absorbing in right away, and it feels like I actually get nutrient benefits, whatever it may be, absorbing into my skin using this product, and it just leaves my hand really nice and smooth. Like, if I didn't know it had the word serum in it, I would probably have mistaken it for being a gel, but it's an amazing product. It's something that I wish I could just continue repurchasing, but it's expensive. That's why I got it on IPSY add-ons for $18, and then to get a backup in a subscription box because this retails for $122, which this alone pays for this entire subscription because Test Tube is about $30 a month and you pay about $8 in shipping. So definitely get your money's worth and then some from this tube with just this product alone. Also a tip, you should use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product. It does contain AHAs, which can cause skin to be a little bit more sensitive. I know my skin definitely gets a little bit more sensitive with products that have AHA, BHAs in them. I don't use them every single day because of the sensitivity. It can also cause a little bit more redness, and my texture can flare up as well. So I definitely will have a decent amount of this for the future because I have my IPSY add-ons one, I have this, and if I'm not using it every single day, it will help conserve, especially $122. You best believe we are gonna be conserving that. That's the only product that was outside of the tube, so let's go on ahead and twist this open, and it's stuffed pack. What is this? Oh, it's by the brand Free Chemistry. We have received a nail polish from them. I really like their packaging because it looked like an element on the periodic tables. This is a hydrating and restorative base coat that nourishes nails with essential nutrients needed for the ultimate nail strength. Start off by removing any old nail polish, then apply a single coat to clean, dry nails. that's a step I normally do. It's been a hot minute since I've painted my nails or even gotten a manicure done. I tend to forget about base coats. I normally just put polish and a top coat on. I'm glad to know I need a base coat. This retails for $18, which seems very expensive. I usually don't spend anything over $10 in nail care. I don't know, I just find it super expensive just to paint your nails. And I'm cheap with manicures too. I just don't like spending money on it, especially being very rough on my hands as it is. I can get gel or just regular polish. The gel is gonna peel, the regular polish is gonna chip. And then if I get acrylics, I want to bite my nails. That's usually why I have nothing painted on my nails. But I just love how it looks. It just like looks so pretty and happy with like the really bright colors. Normally I have really grungy nails. I don't know, like a beautiful burgundy and plum nail just goes with so many different looks and what you're wearing, as opposed with like really bright polishes. I feel like I have to coordinate and I don't want things to clash. Long story short, I'm excited to have this. I'm gonna try to give it a shot and see. So maybe we'll have a manicure in the future. I feel like we've seen this from Test Tube Beauty before. I have a full size and I know I didn't buy it myself. I doubt Ulta put a free gift of a full size of Chlorine in it. But we also got like a deluxe size earlier on this year, but I like this a lot. I discovered Chlorine through Test Tube Beauty, and then I realized that Ulta carried them as well, and I've tried a couple of their other products here and there. This is the dry shampoo with oat milk, and it retails for $20. I definitely go through my fair share of dry shampoo because I don't wash my hair every day. I think with the weather being very humid and hot lately, I'm on the schedule of every other day because my hair is actually experiencing a little bit of greasiness and it just feels gross. So I've only really been using dry shampoo every other day, which is also why I'm struggling with retaining moisture in my hair. But I have gone through a full size of it before and I will definitely go through another full size again. I'm using my Batiste one right now because it's cheap, affordable, it gets the job done. I love how it makes my hair feel, how it cleanses it without a lot of buildup. That is something I liked about this one as well. It didn't cause much buildup or leave that annoying white cast. I don't know, there are some dry shampoos where you apply it, there's this white cast, and even if you brush it through, the white cast is still there, and buildup is so annoying. I hate when I just like have to itch my hair and then you see it on your fingers and there's just junk right there. Like, it is just disgusting. I get so grossed out with myself. In a nutshell, this definitely checks off the boxes of what I look for in a dry shampoo. This formula is formulated with plant-based ingredients. The spray eliminates oil, dirt, and even odors from the hair without irritating the scalp. And that's another thing that I have is my scalp is super sensitive. When I straighten my hair versus just letting my hair be natural, which is super wavy, my hair tends to get really irritated when I put it in a ponytail or a bun. Like, it hurts. And I normally felt that pain with normal ponytails, but now that I've switched to Invisibobbles, I still get that irritation and pain. So that's one of the signs of my scalp. And then there are some shampoos that my scalp will literally go on fire from using, like Pureology. I can't use any of their products without my scalp literally feel like it's on fire, burning, eating away from their shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, whatever product I try from them. So I definitely have to consider the sensitivity of my scalp when looking for hair products as well. What is this? Grande Glow. Oh, plumping liquid highlighter. Why would we need a plumping liquid highlighter? That is very interesting. Okay. Oh, it's by Grande Cosmetics. I'm not going to swatch or try this. A lot of their products really irritate me. They must put some ingredient. I haven't done like an investigation on my end to figure out what ingredient it is, but it doesn't matter which item I use. Whether if it's a lip product or their mascara. I haven't tried any of their face products, but the mascara and their lip products irritated my lips and my eyes so bad. I'm just scarred from that experience, and I just don't want to try something like this that could cause a really bad breakout. My skin for the most part during lockdown has been pretty clear, except the rare occasions where I do go out, put my mask on, I do get like the mask breakout and the texture flares up super bad. So I just want to keep my skin under control, and trying 2 different products for my eyes and my lips and having the experience with Grande, I'm just going to set this aside, put it in a giveaway. Hopefully one of you guys can get some use out of it. But this is a 2-in-1 product that provides much needed plumping and moisturizing while giving skin a glow that will last all day and night. When I put on highlighter, I just want my cheekbones to be beaming. And I'm trying a new highlighter today from Essence. and it's definitely emphasizing my texture. Like, I'm low-key embarrassed of myself right now. And it retails for $25. So this is what the highlighter is gonna look like. It has a doe foot applicator, which is very interesting, and I'm not one for liquid highlighters as well. I find them kind of challenging to blend and buff out, so I tend to stay away from them. I've just been very content with the powder highlighters, how it applies, except for when it emphasizes my texture. I feel like I just can't avoid that. Sometimes liquid highlighters like to build up in my pores. It just doesn't look as blended out as I like that the powder finish gives off for me. Ooh, what is this? So in the last test tube beauty, we got a big jar of collagen that you put in your coffee or tea. So I guess we're getting some more. If that big jar wasn't enough, here we go. So we have a 2-pack. These are $3 each. This is the Beauty Fix Collagen plus Vitamin C Dietary Supplement. It is a citrus-infused supplement that blends collagen, vitamin C, and biotin to make the perfect nutrient smoothie for achieving bright, glowing hair, strong nails, hair, and bones. Pour 1 to 2 packets per day directly into mouth. No. I'm gonna need a chaser because I am a wimp when it comes to stuff like this. That's why I like the one that we got in the big jar that we got to put in our coffee and tea. So we get 3 servings of it. Honestly, I'd probably mix this in with my orange juice. Probably shouldn't, but I can't just directly put this in my mouth. Like, I already struggle with tablets and pills that I have to take. I know I'm gonna struggle with this. I don't know if it's just like the taste, the texture, or whatever just triggers not wanting to go down. That's a nice little bonus to get in this month's tube. 3 products left. Renew Scalp Therapy. Hey, we just talked about the scalp. Oops, sorry. This is by the brand Numa. This is the Renew Scalp Therapy that retails for $26. This gentle exfoliator treatment removes any unwanted residue, leaving you with a freshly restored and revitalized scalp. After shampooing, massage into the scalp for 2 minutes before rinsing your hair and following with conditioner. Definitely not used a product like this before. I just shampoo, condition, go about my merry way. Actually, I take that back because Amika actually has like a build-up product that sometimes that I will go through my hair first before shampooing and conditioning. The days that I don't do that, I will replace it with this just to help rotate the products just to see if I'm seeing a difference. I feel like if I did both the Amika shampoo, then this, and then conditioner, I just feel like that's too much. And as I mentioned, my hair already struggles to retain moisture. I don't want to take away any other moisture that it might be trying to retain. I'm very intrigued by this, and I can't wait until wash day to see how it will work out for me. Second to last product we have by Luminous. This is the Cream Confession Lipstick, and it retails for $24. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. Oh, wow. Interesting packaging. Oh, I love this shade. This is great for the fall, and I like how you have a mirror to help you apply for on the go. We gotta do a swatch. That is beautiful. Oh, this is gonna get so much use. This shade is definitely up my alley, and it does feel super creamy. I was excited though because I thought we were gonna get this beautiful rich red lipstick, but you know what? I'm not complaining about some vampier shades. Not gonna lie, I am ready for spooky season. I just thrive in the month of October. It is just my aesthetic, my happy place. This shade has me feeling some kind of way right now. I cannot wait to try it on my lips. I hope it is a very comfortable formula. Maybe pairing it with a gloss would be nice because putting a gloss over a lipstick has been my go-to favorite lately. And then the last product, I was jokingly gonna say, is this a teeth whitener? Every single month we get one. This is from Commodity. This is an affordable yet artisanal fragrance house. Offers a variety of notable perfumes that are exquisitely unique. Glad it's not more whitening pens. I think I have enough thanks to Test Tube Beauty. This retails for $26. It's a unisex fragrance and apply it on your pulse points. To me, it smells a little bit more masculine. Maybe I feel that kind of way because I lean more towards florally scents. But if it's unisex, I might just give it to Griffin. Or on my pulse points, just make me smell like a dude. I think I'm gonna pass it on to him. I don't like how it smells on me. It doesn't take anything away from it. It just doesn't smell well on me and my body chemistry. I feel like Test Tube Beauty has kind of been struggling this year, and this is actually a tube I'm really looking forward to. This product alone, I am just super excited to receive. It is one of my favorite Sunday Riley products, and I really like how it incorporates in my skincare routine. So to get a backup, I am stoked. I am always leading hair care products, so these two will definitely get a lot of use. I have used and gone through one of these before. I'm definitely stoked to receive another one. And then I have this new product that I've never tried anything like it before, so I'm very excited to see how it's going to work out with my shampoo, conditioner, and my pre-wash, and of course, hair masking. This lipstick is right up my alley. It's a new brand for me, but I love how it felt on the swatch. It's a beautiful shade, and I'm definitely going to get so much use out of it when fall rolls around. Definitely more of a bonus item. Hopefully I'll be able to use those. I would love to know if you guys get test tube beauty. Were there any other variations, or did we all get the same products? How did everything work out for you? What was your favorite product, least favorite product that you're most excited for? And are you looking forward to September's tube? I know I am, because September will be introducing fall, and I'm really excited to see what products they curate to kick off fall. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.